These are the Stage 2 performance cams for Indian Motorcycle Thunderstroke 111 models. Now, in order to run these, your bike needs to be equipped with Indian's Stage 1 upgrade setup. That includes the Stage 1 slip-on exhaust and either the performance air cleaner or the high flow air cleaner. Now, these are one of Indian's more popular items throughout its accessory lineup, and it should come as no surprise. I mean, whether you're doing long touring rides, pounding through headwinds, riding two up, or maybe you're just getting on the throttle, getting after it, who doesn't want more power out of their motor, right? That's what this cam setup is going to do for you. They're 50 state emissions compliant, which is really important, and these babies pack a ton of punch. 13% more horsepower, 7% more torque if you're running these. What's also cool about these is that they increase power throughout the entire curve. Now what I mean is most cam setups typically will address a singular point within the power band, either low, mid, or high. But this system truly addresses and delivers power throughout the curve. They also sound awesome. Your motor's going to have a more chunky, deeper rumble at idle if you're running these. So if you want to get more power and performance out of your Thunderstroke 111, you need to be running Indian's Stage 2 performance cam setup.